So I broke down a bunch of boxes and put them around the tree, laid down some edging border, and now I'm going to proceed to finish putting the mulch around this tree. I still haven't decided what I'm going to do with the rocks, but I also trimmed a little bit of my tree because it was hanging all the way down to the ground. So, and I couldn't get up under it without scratching myself or hitting myself with the branches. But that's the progress. I said most of the rocks are gone, except the big rocks. Figure out what I'm going to do with these as part of the landscaping. But that's the progress. I'll fill this up, and then I'll start over on those trees over there. That'll be my next project. It's so hot out here that the grass is dying because my sprinklers broke after I fertilized them, but I will restore it after I'm done with my project here, of course. I'll try to restore the grass, and you guys will see that as well.